Oh, good morning.
Legitimate philosophical differences with parts of my plan the Republicans have. We have to have a plan that works.
People want to understand how the sausage is made.
Throwing a potpourri of spending in a potpourri way.
Democrats, liberals are right back at it.
Willy-nilly.
How, in the name of stimulus?
It's very, very sad.
Very, very scary.
I don't expect 100% agreement, but I do hope we can all put politics aside.
His biggest problem is with his own party, Democratic Party.
Top two Republicans in the House told Republican members of the House to vote no. Was there any common ground between you and the president?
Tax cuts.
Contraception problems that you had?
That issue was not brought up.
I've seen Ducey in a water park going down that giant slide. That is true stimulus.
Fox and Friends, more stimulating than any Congress can dream up.
Tip Saltzman, candidate, RNC chairman, Barack the Magic Negro. It was an offensive CD to send out.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Our CEO's out of control.
$1,700 garbage cans.
Obviously, a lot of garbage.
$50 billion investment scam.
The SEC never noticed the elephant or even smelled the peanuts on his breath.
Take the pee off, bucket of tar, and a chicken.
Navigating a route from economic disaster.
In times of economic trouble, people want entertainment.
Blago, please.
I'm the Jimmy Stewart or Gary Cooper character.
But Democrat Russ Feingold of Wisconsin is not amused. Actually, I was amused, but it sure doesn't look like a democracy.
Senator Gillibrand.
Do you solemnly swear? I will. Welcome, Senator.
There's a saying that Dr. King had.
We're falling for it. It's fabulous. We're a bunch of idiots.
I understand the problem you cable folks have having to be on 24 hours.
Would you consider leaving office?
Are you asking me this now? Am I on TV?
Yes.
Yeah. No, I said I'm not resigning. You're funny.
I would give a lot to have Governor Blagojevich's hair.
One day at a time, sweet Jesus.